Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Mueller DuraBlend 10-speed 1800 watt professional series blender. So if you take a look, you'll see what it looks like. I'm also going to show you what it looks like closer up in a minute. So if you look at it, you'll see that it comes apart and goes into the dishwasher. As you can see, the blades are stainless steel, which makes them a quick and easy blend. It has two modes, which are pulse mode and ice crushing mode. That was a quick demo of how the blades work. This blender is a 3 horsepower machine. That means that it gets the job done. It's great for making smoothies. My go-to is peanut butter banana. It doesn't stop there, as there is also a free smoothie bottle in this great deal. There you have it, folks. Scoop that into there. Then we're gonna add some milk. And then we're gonna throw in the bananas. And then to finish it off, we're gonna add some ice. Now we're gonna put the lid on and blend.